This expert has put an end to ingrown, diseased and deformed toenails. Bernd Stolz is the inventor and developer of the BS brace, medicinal nail correction of the highest standard. The top quality BS brace has been manufactured and continuously improved at the company headquarters in Amberg in Bavaria, Germany since 1987. For 25 years now, it has been used just as successfully by podiatrists and chiropodists as in doctors' surgeries and cosmetic salons. With this brace, surgery is no longer necessary and a permanent pain-free condition can be achieved. The BS brace is considered worldwide to be the ideal problem solver and defines the highest standard of perfect podiatric brace technology. Now, Bernd Stolz has succeeded in setting this standard even higher. The keyword, magnetic application. Magnetic application is yet another trend-setting improvement in the field of medicinal nail correction, further perfecting the tried and tested BS brace system. And because it is easy to handle, even safer and more precise application is guaranteed. It's an ingenious idea. The tried and tested BS brace and the applicator are drawn to each other. This is made possible by what is called a magnetic point fixed to the center of the brace. There is also a small magnetic plate fixed to the applicator. The magnets are drawn together to allow perfect positioning of the brace. In order to meet the high manufacturing requirements specification, a special fiberglass plastic has been used. Only this material is strong as well as flexible enough to fit each damaged or deformed nail individually. Each plastic plate is smoothed in a high-precision grinder to exactly 0.002 of a millimeter. The rough side of the plate ensures better grip on the nail surface. In order to guarantee the resilience of the brace, the thickness is carefully controlled using magnetic inducive sensor measuring technology. The BS brace is manufactured in 6 different sizes and measured to the exact millimeter for its elasticity and strength. This is an absolute necessity for achieving perfect results wherever the BS brace is used worldwide, and for guaranteeing the highest standard of quality. The members of Bernd Stolz's team work hand in hand to ensure the top quality of each and every brace produced in the Amberg plant, as well as the newly developed magnetic applicator. The classic professional set includes 60 BS braces in 6 different sizes, as well as adhesive, activator, and cleaner. The set may only be packed when a check has been made that the contents are complete. It is this very elaborate production criteria, as well as technical precision, which make it possible to achieve completely the high quality level of the BS brace in terms of demanding users and patients who are seeking help. Welcome to our new video course. These are step-by-step instructions showing you how best to use the magnetic BS brace. Please read the instruction manual before watching the video. This way you will be able to understand the course more easily, as the video shows exactly the same procedure. First of all, let us take a look at the newly developed magnetic applicator. Each applicator has 2 pressure areas for 2 different sizes of BS brace. The integrated magnet holds the brace in place at the magnetic point, making it even easier to apply the brace to the nail. The applicator is made of non-stick material and can be cleaned easily and quickly using BS Cleaner. Important, please do not sterilize the applicator, as then the magnet would no longer work. Thorough preparation of the nail is very important for the brace to work at its best, and the foot must not be disinfected or bathed before the brace is applied. It is necessary to grind and roughen the nail plate to ensure that the brace can be applied firmly and securely. Use a corundum or diamond grinder, also taking the lengthwise grooves off the surface of the nail, as with any usual nail treatment. Grind thicker nails thinner. The choice of the exact size of the brace is especially important for achieving the best cure. The BS brace should span the whole of the visible nail plate, should not jut out at the ends or be too short. For fitting, place the applicator exactly at one side edge of the nail and roll it across the nail to the other side edge without slipping. The target, the surface of the applicator, must be the same width as the nail, thus determining the size of the brace. The best effect can be achieved when the brace is stuck 1 to 2 millimeters behind the part of the nail which is causing pain. Before application, degrease the nail thoroughly with BS cleaner so that the brace will fit exactly and securely. Take up the brace with the applicator so that it sticks to the magnetic point. Be sure that the brace lies across the entire application surface. It is recommended to grind the ends of the brace thinner so that it can be pressed onto the nail more easily and does not stick out. Apply a thin layer of BS activator to the whole nail and leave it to dry completely. Then brush BS basic adhesive across the whole of the brace. This can also be done in reverse order. This method will be explained in more detail later. Fix the brace to the nail by pressing one point of the magnetic applicator to the side edge of the nail for 7 seconds. Then roll the applicator across the nail, slowly at first and then faster, to the opposite nail fold. Be sure to do this evenly and quickly. Do not lift up the applicator or twist it whilst rolling. Then press the applicator to the other side of the nail for a further 7 seconds. The adhesive must be completely dry before further treatment. Clean the nail plate and BS brace with BS cleaner. This will remove the magnetic point from the brace. Level out the transitions to the nail. If the patient feels a pulling pain, then the tension is too strong. Regulate the strength of the brace by carefully grinding the ends thinner. Brushing BS basic adhesive evenly over the nail and the brace will make the brace especially secure and water resistant. Now the nail is sealed perfectly and is ready for the usual nail treatment. Use straight nail pliers to remove the brace from the nail. Place them at one edge between the brace and the nail and burst the adherents, then carefully remove the brace from the nail. This is usually done after each successful treatment or before application of a new brace. For the alternative method mentioned previously, do things in reverse. This means applying activator to the brace and brushing a thick layer of BS basic adhesive across the nail. Using this method, it is no longer necessary to seal the nail. When using the BS basic adhesive, be sure not to wipe the brush on the neck of the bottle. There is also another application method. Place the applicator on the center of the nail and press for 7 seconds. Then roll it to one edge of the nail and press in place for another 7 seconds. Finally, roll the applicator to the opposite edge of the nail and press in place for a further 7 seconds. Then continue as described. Use the BS brace this way for a successful cure. The BS Brace Classic with magnetic point is available in 6 different sizes: 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 millimeters. There are 3 magnetic applicators for 2 brace sizes each. The set also contains BS Basic Adhesive, Activator, and Cleaner. With this set, you're well prepared for the benefit of your patients. Of course, we will gladly answer your questions on the phone. And if you wish to intensify your expert knowledge, we recommend you attend a course at the Stolz company. You can find course dates under www.bs-spange.com. Welcome to our training video with step-by-step instructions for optimum use of the BS Brace Classic. In order to understand this training session more easily, first please read the instruction manual carefully. The film then shows the identical procedure. It is necessary to prepare the nail thoroughly first in order for the BS Brace Classic to achieve the best effect. Before application of the BS Brace, no foot baths or disinfectant should be used. If disinfection is necessary, please use pure alcohol. The nail must be ground and roughened so that the BS Brace can be applied properly and safely. Use a corundum or diamond grinder for this purpose, the same as for standard nail care. Thicker nails should simply be ground thinner. Degrease the nail carefully with BS Cleaner. Choosing the correct size of brace is especially important for achieving maximum healing success. The BS Brace should span the visible nail plate, the ends must not stick out, and it should not be too short. When trying for size, place a BS Brace 1 to 2 millimeters behind the area which is causing pain, level with the side edge of the nail, and press it across the nail to the opposite nail edge, using the BS Steel applicator. Applying quick dry. Apply Classic Activator to the side edges of the nail only. The BS Brace can be pressed into place more easily so that the edges do not stick up by following this procedure. Place the correct size of brace, glossy side down, on one finger so that the whole of the brace lies on the finger. Now grind the ends of the brace thinner. Then take hold of one end of the BS Brace with a pair of tweezers and apply 1 drop of BS brush-on adhesive to the middle of the BS Brace. Do not spread the glue. Now, place the BS Brace carefully and exactly on the middle of the nail, just where the size of brace was determined. Wait at least 5 to 7 seconds, applying slight pressure to the nail and without changing the position. Then use the steel applicator to press one end of the brace onto the side edge of the nail for about 10 seconds. After this, press the other end of the brace onto the nail and wait a further 10 seconds. For the alternative method, apply the activator to the brace and then apply BS Basic Adhesive to the nail. Now place the BS Brace on the nail as shown before. If this method is used, then no final sealant is necessary. Level out the transitions between the BS Brace and the nail. If the brace feels uncomfortable for the patient, the tension is too strong. By grinding the ends of the BS Brace thinner, the tensile force can be adjusted. If this does not prove sufficient, grind the whole of the brace thinner. To achieve an especially water-resistant and secure fitting, quickly clean the nail plate and the BS Brace with BS Cleaner. This removes any residue of BS Activator from the nail. Then brush BS Basic Adhesive evenly over the nail and brace. After 3 to 4 minutes, the sealant is dry and nail care can be continued. It is best to use a pair of straight nail pliers to remove the brace from the nail. Place these at one end of the brace, between the brace and the nail, burst open the bond, and carefully lift the BS brace off the nail. Normally, this is done after every successful treatment or before application of a new brace. BS Brace Classic with steel applicator is available in a set with 6 different sizes: 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 millimeters. The set also includes the BS steel applicator, as well as BS basic adhesive, BS activator, and BS cleaner. Everything needed for the best treatment of your patients. We will happily advise you by phone, and if you wish to improve your knowledge in this field, we recommend that you attend one of the training courses in our company. You can find more information under www.bs-spange.com. The BS Brace Quick presents another method of brace application. The brace itself is identical to the well-known classic version, which has been successful for many years. What makes the BS Brace Quick so special is the patented and deliberately easy-to-use method of application. The brace is fixed to the applicator, ready for immediate application, and is manufactured in 6 sizes. As with all braces, thorough preparation of the nail is very important for a lasting result. For this reason, the foot must not be disinfected or bathed before treatment. First, the nail plate must be ground and roughened to ensure that the brace can be applied firmly and securely, just as with any other nail treatment. Further, the nail plate should be degreased so that the brace can be fixed securely. Using BS cleaner is the perfect mode of action. The choice of the exact size of the brace is especially important for achieving the best cure. This means that the brace should always span the whole of the visible nail plate. A measuring template is printed on the carrier foil for this purpose. Lay the template across the nail so that the outer lines fit the side of the nail. The best effect can be achieved when the brace is stuck 1 to 2 millimeters behind the part of the nail which is causing pain. Cut off the correct size of the brace with a pair of scissors. Take hold of the longer end of the brace carrier. For a perfect fit, it is recommended to grind the ends of the brace a little thinner. Apply a thin layer of BS activator to the whole nail and leave it to dry completely. Then brush BS basic adhesive over the whole of the surface of the brace. This can also be done in the reverse order. This method will be explained in more detail later. Place the short tab of the brace on one side of the nail and press it into place with one finger for about 3 seconds. Roll the brace across the nail to the other side without letting go or pulling on the tab. Press this end of the brace onto the nail too. Wait 5 seconds before carefully removing the carrier foil. Level out the transitions to the nail. If the patient feels a pulling pain, then the tension is too strong. Regulate the strength of the BS brace quick by carefully grinding the ends thinner. Clean the nail plate and the applied brace using BS cleaner, and then brush BS basic adhesive evenly across the nail and the brace. This seals the nail perfectly and further nail treatment can be carried out. Use straight nail pliers to remove the brace from the nail. Place them at one edge between the brace and the nail and burst the adherents, then carefully remove the brace from the nail. This is usually done after each successful treatment or before application of a new brace. For the alternative method mentioned previously, do things in reverse. This means applying activator to the brace and brushing a thick layer of BS basic adhesive across the nail. Again, level out the transitions to the nail. Using this method, it is no longer necessary to seal the nail, but it is possible. The BS Brace Quick Professional Set consists of 6 applicators with brace sizes 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 millimeters, as well as BS Basic Adhesive, activator, and cleaner. The easy-to-apply method for the benefit of your patients. Of course, we will gladly answer your questions on the phone. And if you wish to intensify your expert knowledge, we recommend you attend a course at the Stolz company. You can find course dates under www.bs-spange.com.